scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath, but I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just a whistle of a long black train. You'll know when it's coming for you, riding in on the wind and rain.
All right, we just made it past the Golden Gate Bridge. Brandon and Casey are here behind me in the grocery store. We drove up like 9 hours and then forgot to put ice in the coolers with all of our refrigerated items. So we're grabbing that and then we're gonna hop back on the road. We got 2 hours left.
I'm standing my ground with the whole world falling all around me. I keep running, but I'm standing still. Pray for peace, but I need the thrill. So I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just a whistle of a long black train. You'll know when it's coming for you, riding in on the wind and rain. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just a whistle of a long black train. You'll know when it's coming for you, riding in.
Tying knots, get everything rigged up.
Very slow.
It's kind of fucked up.
Any words to the wives?
Hopefully we fuck him up tomorrow. Hopefully. I love this setup of yours.
I know the bot actually is kind of handy. Like, not gonna lie, it works out well. Okay. This is looking good. I'm cooking with this. Apparently, it's really hard to flip them. Also, do you guys eat onions on your burgers, or do you eat them? Okay, bye. Taste test. A little over-seasoned. I really wish I had a spatula, dude. My hands are gonna be burned by that. But the cheese was really melted. Look.
All right, we got double burgers from Chef Casey. Thank you very much. You didn't bring the mount for this, did you? got a little cabezon. You look so foggy, oh my god.
I do.
Hell
Cool,
yeah.
dude, you hit like a champ.
When I get real gone, feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way, cause I can see it on your face. Appetizing.
He's big or what? Holy shit, dude, that's a fucking dragon. How big that thing is.
Ow! Cheers! I grabbed its gill plates and my fingers are all bloody.
Oh shit. Nice fish, dude.
Alright,
Let's get the release.
you ready? Alright, so as you saw, I just landed a giant lingcod. We released it. We're not planning on keeping anything until Saturday. I made the mistake of putting my fingers in its gill plates, as that's how I've always held the fish. And well, let's just say those cuts are pretty deep. Anyways, Brandon showed me the way of how to properly hold a lingcod, which is underneath the gill plate, away from all those serrated edges. So now I know for my next one, if I get another one. We caught it on the ugly stick, Walmart style. We are rocking a yellow and blackish brown yellow flake slug from Dalen Baits or Dolan Baits. I don't know how you pronounce it. I might be butchering it. I apologize. Not really. Anyways, I think it's a 5-inch slug. We have it on a 1-ounce little head. Each cast has been different. Sometimes I'll drag the bottom, other times I'll pop it. I wish I got the fight on video because it was really cool. We're in 30 feet of water. Probably go cast around again and see if I can't get anything on video for you.
Dude, that's a nice fucking cabby, dude.
It's heavy too.
Show it sideways a little bit.
All right, you ready? Blue rockfish. All right, we're in 70 feet of water. I just landed a monster cabezon. Oh my gosh, dude. This is a fat ass cabezon. Dude. That's a monster. Dude, absolute monster cabezon. Look at the size of his head. I can't get him in frame. Yeah, he's big. He feels like 6 pounds. Dude, this thing's a monster. Oh, it's a new rockfish. That is interesting. I'm on again. I got double rockfish. The first one's a monster, and the second one is as big as a jig. That's a new one for me. Look at this. We got a rockfish and a rockfish on the same jig, but one is as big as a jig. All right, so the iPhone doesn't do it justice. The wind picked up. The fog is clearing. It's pretty choppy out, so we're gonna make our way back in and probably call it quits till this afternoon if the wind dies down. But yeah, got a few fish and making our way back in.
This is where it ends. I've been down a few broken roads that I'm trying to mend, but this is where it ends, and I'm breaking down. You were lying when you said that you were trying to work things out, but now I'm broken down. I went to battle for you always, fought for you on your worst days. Then you told me that you don't love me no more. You're the last thing that I thought I'd lose. All I ever wanted was to be loved by you. I let you back in and I gave you a second chance. And like a jet plane on a clear blue sky, sun came shining down on all of your lies. I got too much pride to let that happen again. So this is where it ends. Had to bury all your memories, couldn't see what everybody sees.